Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Reddit mobile app on your phone to find easy way to fix a hole in your wedding suit leg and make it fit tight again. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. At the top, tap the search bar, type in keyword like bedding, suit repair or swimsuit leg hole fix. You will see a different communities pop up. Tap one of these communities and scroll through the post. Many people share tips and how to patch swimsuit. You may also see advice about using fabric glue, stretchable thread or elastic bands to fix the leg hole. When you find a helpful post, read the comment too. People often suggest step-by-step method like hand stitching the hole with elastic thread or adding a small fabric patch inside the suit. If you want to save the post for later, tap the three dot on the post and select save. That way you can reference the method when you are ready to fix your swimsuit. If you don't find exactly what you need, you can make your own post. Tap the plus button at the bottom, choose the right community and explain your problem. For example, mention your swimsuit type, the hole size and that you want it to be tight again. Other Reddit user will often give creative, easy to follow solutions, and that's it. The Reddit app on your phone, you can quickly discover real life tips and tricks from other people who have fixed swimsuit leg hole and made them fit tight again. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.